Scott. Go on, Scott. Go on, Scott. Go on, go on. Yes! It's not rusty anywhere near like a lot. It is a bit up there, but good lad.
So how long does it last?
Well, he was hoping to do a 2-hour flight, but obviously we won't now because of sunset. Yeah. Is it about 5:30? Yeah. Right. Yeah, I think